Hello everyone, if Wavin's Meet is not working correctly or crashing on your computer, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Wavin's Meet not working or crashing on your computer easily. So first off, I'll show you how to do it on an AMD card. After that, I'll show you how you can do it on an NVIDIA card. So you're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software here, and then you're going to go into performance, you're going to go into tuning, and here you need to make sure that your tuning is set to default and not custom or any overclock or underclock. So just set it to default. And now I'm going to show you how you can do it on an NVIDIA card. So you're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel, and then you're going to go into help here and then make sure debug mode is turned on. And after that, you're just going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, now when you try to play Wavin's Meet, you'll see that it will work correctly. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.